In this week's episode of I-Techie, we bring you toys for grown-ups and a collection of facts about things as diverse as cancer, climate change, the innovations at Apple, and so much more.
We all played with toys when we were little, and most of us, as age and good sense got the better of us, managed to outgrow them. Some regular, non-juvenile gadgets, however, can definitely be classified as, well, toys. We're talking about those novelty playthings, those mechanical amusement generators that simply tickle the fancy of us overgrown child types. Although any geek out there, or definitely his spouse, can testify to the fact that all gadgets are really playthings, we've got a selection of some true blue trifles guaranteed to fulfill absolutely no practical purpose whatsoever. So, sit back and let the inner child geek inside of you indulge in the nonsensicalness of it all.
The crazy gadget people over at thinkgeek.com have had an obsession with remote-control helicopters since time unlimited. After countless tries to find the perfect remote-controlled helicopter, they might have stumbled upon perfection. This latest model, called the Dark Blade, is a whopping 3-channel controlled copter that ensures precise radio-controlled flight. The especially surprising bit about this gadget is that it has 2 top rotors instead of 1. The twin rotors cancel out any extra torque that the copter generates, giving lift, stability, and more control.
Without the system in place, the tail rotor needs to spin faster every time the top rotor speed is increased. The innovative design features a tail rotor beneath the tail, making it effective at generating forward propulsion.
While there are many expensive models out there in the market, this baby retails for only $30, giving all you grown-ups some cheap fun.
You know those anti-aircraft turrets that you've so often used in strategy video games? The rattling guns, flak and laser turrets that combine robotic technology to provide a fully automated land, air and sea defense.
While such technology is only available to military personnel enlisted in the most sophisticated armies of the world, or assassins in expensive Hollywood movies like The Jackal, this very expensive toy will give us normal people the same kicks with a difference.
The gadget contains precision-built hardware with dual marker technology, custom controllers with proportional pan-tilt controls with upgrades to include thermal imaging and night vision video scope to fire your paintballs. If such a high-tech tool spouted anything else, it would surely be illegal. The beast smatters you with 30 rounds a second or 1,800 rounds a minute, which frankly is absolutely insane. The device is built by a company called Evolution Model Technology, and it comes in 4 models with different capabilities. The basic version costs $1,400, and the elite version, which I'm sure you're going to want, is $2,500. It's all available at imrobotics.com.
Wish you could buy a sports car? One that looked like a futuristic jet fighter while giving you the thrills of riding a motor. This little 3-wheeler is a stroke of genius from the Netherlands, and Jeremy Clarkson from Top Gear would agree hands down.
It's a 3-wheel wielding narrow car that thrills you like it's nobody's business.
The tilting Carver trike from Dutch firm Vanderbrink boasts a cockpit in the front and a seat at the back. When you turn the steering wheel, the car tilts on corners, giving you craziness and excitement of a bike. Thrill is not an understatement, as it does 0 to 60 miles per hour in close to 8 seconds. The 4-cylinder 16-valve engine takes this baby to a top speed of 125 miles per hour. Imagine going down roads and everyone slowing their cars to admire the futuristic wonder. The cockpit, the interior, and the ride and everything else makes you feel like Tom Cruise in Top Gun. This toy comes at a price of £25,000 and can be ordered from car dealers in Europe.
Here's a toy that's sure to displease the children, since it's certain that you won't let them play with it. The Mark I Tank Company makes remote control replicas of legendary tanks, and their latest offering is nothing short of phenomenal. It is the German King Tiger tank, and it was the most feared tank of World War II. And their quarter-size replica of this tank is daunting to say the least. Powered by two 500-watt 24-volt motors, this 6-foot behemoth packs enough power to tow a large-sized car behind it. The tracks beneath it let it plow over the roughest of terrain just like a real tank.
The 2-foot gun mounted atop the tank has a very realistic recoil action, and with the help of speakers, makes the characteristic rumbling sounds and the shell firing sounds. With all this realistic power, it could tear up just about any form of property if given in the wrong hands.
For that very reason, it can easily get any rich, depressed 40-year-old through a midlife crisis. The tank is available exclusively through the Mark I Tank Company in the UK. Now this beast will set you back by about £6,600. And if you're still interested, details can be found at the manufacturer's website. Are you the ultimate Star Wars fan? And I really mean the ultimate fan. Are you willing to spend $115,000 on an actual Star Wars toy? Is your midlife crisis the worst possible thing imaginable? If so, then you might be interested in buying the original Darth Vader mask that was used extensively throughout all the climactic fight sequences in the epochal films. It was specially created to allow Bob Anderson, the Olympic fencing champion who took over the role of Darth Vader for the fight sequences, to see clearly while filming. Great! So now you can see so much better while training to battle the Jedi.